and I'll go to the folder. I'll create the third program. So this is the third Python code. Now in this code, what I'm going to show you is I will take a numeric quantity and perform arithmetic operation. Okay, I'll state it as math operations. So what are the popular math operations we will be discussing? We will be discussing how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. So all these things I will show you. Now to start off, I'm going to say number 1. I'm going to give the number here, say 12, and number 2 is equal to say 3. Now number 3 I'm creating. I want to add number 1 with number 2, and I want to create number 4. I want to divide, or I would say subtract number 1 minus number 2, and then I want to multiply number 1 with number 2, and then I want to divide number 1 by number 2. So clearly you can see the first operation is to add, the second operation is to subtract, the third one is to multiply, and the last one is to divide. So I'm going to state a print here. Print the addition of two numbers is equal to, now when you go here, don't place the concatenation sign plus, don't place any plus here, but place a comma here and the variable number 3. So I would copy this off, and then I will paste this 3 more times. Difference of two numbers. So this is going to be product of two numbers. So change it to the variable 5. This is going to be the quotient. That's going to be number 6, quotient of two numbers. So I have printed all of these. Now I have to run them. So to run them, you right click, open the terminal and enter. Make sure to click on this window. You enter Python. Name of the file is third.py. So clearly you can see addition of two numbers, 12 added with 3 is 15. Subtraction or difference is 9, correct. Product is 36, that's correct. Quotient is 4. 12 can be divided by 3, and the number of times it divides is 4. Now clearly you can see it places 4.0. That means it is taking or treating the outcome as a float variable. Now if we were to change this, say for example 120, and save it, and I run the command here, Python third.py, you see that it says 40 here again. Now let me give a challenging number, say 119. Now let's see what is the output. So I'm saving it here. I'm running the code Python third.py. You can clearly see, I wanted you all to see this output. You see that specification, so it is treating the quantity as a float. So the decimal is accommodated. So that is the end of program number 3. Now let me close this.